As prospectus, it plans to raise $1 billion through the IPO, and Wall Street analysts forecast the amount might be between $15 billion and $20 billion, likely to be the largest in U.S. history. By 2013, Alibaba's China retail platform saw over 1.5 trillion RMB, or $250 billion worth of transactions. This far exceeds that of eBay and Amazon, ranking top in the world. The exact floating date has not been confirmed. In fact, going public in the U.S. is not a novelty for Chinese dotcom businesses. Back in 2000, portal websites Sina, NetEase, and Sohu floated their shares in Nasdaq, causing quite a stir in China's internet scene. Since then, a stream of Chinese companies have followed suit. In 2010 alone, over 40 Chinese companies were listed in the U.S., including 6 internet businesses. But the following 2 years were a frozen period for Chinese concept shares. Only 7 dotcom companies made it to the U.S. market, but they still comprised half of the companies who went public during those 2 years. In the second half of 2013, the frozen period came to an end, with more internet companies testing the waters in the U.S.
You will see that this year will see an explosive growth of Chinese dotcom businesses. The Chinese government also channeled more investment in 4G networks. This creates a very broad space for further development.
Internet companies listed in the U.S. also put in strong performances. Take Baidu, for instance. Its issue price was $27 in 2005, and by June 12th this year, it was closing at $176, up by 550%. And VIP.com saw its share price surging from $6.5 to $180 in 2 years. In fact, over 60% of Chinese website companies stay above their offering price in the U.S. But industry predictions are not all rosy.
I think from another perspective, it's sad for Chinese stock investors because while the industry is developing fast, our own investors can't share the benefits.
Currently, 31 Chinese internet companies are listed in the U.S., taking up 15% of Chinese concept shares in the U.S. market. 记者CCTV